Alright guys, so no, this is not a daily vlog. No, this isn't a skit. No, this is one of the other 7 things I do. But this isn't an unboxing. I've done a few. 2? That's not a few, but anyway. Right here is a package that I ordered, obviously. And, well, in this package is a pair of shoes. A special pair of shoes that goes along with one of my 4 favorite things. No, it's not turtles. No, it's not Busters. No, it's not wrestling. It's Rangers. Ooh, got the new... God, I got that marker smell. What the hell? Ooh, feeling kind of light at it. Hey, hook. Oh my God. This is freaking amazing! Yes! This is what I got. This is what I got. That's my unboxing for today. I'll see you guys.